In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use Google Chrome flags. This is a handy tool for anyone looking to experiment with new and exciting browser features that Google is currently testing. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to tweak and enhance your browsing experience, possibly gaining access to features that haven't even been officially released yet. First things first, to begin this process, open your Google Chrome browser. Now direct your attention to the address bar located at the top of your browser window. This is where all the magic starts. In the address bar, type in the following: chrome://flags. Once you've entered this, go ahead and press the Enter key on your keyboard. This action will take you to the Experiments page, which is a fascinating place filled with an array of features known as flags. Once you've arrived at the Experiments page, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the available flags. It's important to note that these flags are categorized into two main sections: available and unavailable. The ones under the available section are the ones you can enable on your browser. Now that you're aware of what the Experiments page layout looks like, it's time to explore these flags. You can use the provided search box at the top of the page to look for any specific feature you might have in mind. For example, you may find flags that pertain to performance optimization, privacy enhancements, or even user interface changes. When searching for a flag, once you've located the one you're interested in, you'll see a drop-down menu next to it. Currently, it's usually set to default, but this is where you can make the changes. Click on the drop-down and select Enabled. Be sure to read the brief description accompanying each flag to understand what it does. This knowledge will help you make informed decisions, ensuring the flags benefit your browsing experience. After enabling the flag of your choice, you may notice a blue button at the bottom of the page saying Relaunch, which indicates that Chrome needs to restart for the changes to take effect. Don't worry about losing your open tabs. Chrome will restore them after the relaunch. Go ahead and click on the Relaunch button to restart your browser. Once it's relaunched, you should have the newly enabled features working. A word of caution, though. Despite the excitement, remember that these are experimental features. While most of them work fine, some could cause instability. If you encounter any issues, you can always revisit the Experiments page and disable those flags or simply reset all options to their default state. There you have it. You now have the tools to experiment with Google Chrome flags and personalize your browsing experience.